All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I had to go through this wall right here, which was basically a wall inside of a wall, which possibly was inside of a wall. So basically there's an outside layer, an inside layer, and then another inside layer. Did I say that right? Outside, middle, and then inside. So I did the old Mad Electrician trick and cut up a piece of EMT, used it as a hole saw to cut through the wall. It worked out really nice, so thank you for that. That clip wasn't slowed down at all. Anyways, got the wood ceiling back up, started to cut part of it for where the power pole is going to come down tomorrow, which I'm going to be working a graveyard, so school is starting, so I have to work after the kids get out of school. But anyways, got this home run pulled in back to the panel for the 2 circuits in the library, for the computers on the west wall and the computer lab station. So got those 2 circuits pulled in with the ground, red, white, black, white, and green. And then lastly, I think that was everything. Worked on getting that wire in right over the top, which we started yesterday. So went ahead and just zip tied the wire to the beam, and then this is the spot where I used the hole saw trick with the EMT right here. Started with a 3/4 just to test it out. Then I upgraded to the 1 1/4 inch, which is the sleeve size that we used right there. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry for the late upload. Just been enjoying the day and pushed off making this video till late. But anyways, like I said, you're going to be working graveyard tomorrow from like 4 p.m. to like maybe midnight. Depends on if we finish our task or whatnot tomorrow. But basically have until like Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday to finish this. And it's only hopefully going to be done tomorrow, but I don't know. So anyways, we'll see how that goes. But I will be getting I don't know, overtime pay or like graveyard pay, so whatever that is, like 1.3 or 30% extra per hour, or extra 50% an hour. So I'm not sure. We'll see how that works out, but I am not getting the foreman pay, which is unfortunate. But anyways, I don't qualify for that, but some companies pay it and some companies don't, depending on if you're running a job or not. But so anyways, that's fine. I didn't expect it, but I was hoping for it, but it's all good. My company's not trying to stiff me or anything like that, so that's cool. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video. Check the description down below for anything else. I just released a video on my second channel. If you want to check that out, going over my Corvette. And then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Trying to stay up a little bit late tonight. It's 11 o'clock right now, so trying to stay up a little bit so I can sleep in tomorrow, because I don't have to work till 4, and then I'm going to be up till midnight at the latest or whatever. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, never worked a graveyard before, I don't think. At least I might have worked a few hours before at nighttime once, but we'll see how it goes. Anyways, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll keep you updated tomorrow after work. See you guys later. God bless. Peace out.